Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
O'Brien!
I'm trying to make a video!
What's up, everyone? Day 2. The Riviera. I forget what I was working on. So, I was thinking last night, if you haven't been following, well, if you haven't been following, you gotta go watch the first video I did of this. It's that one, okay? Just get out of this and go to that one. So, I was thinking I'm going to keep these tires. Definitely keep these tires. And found some of these. Look like old Kragers. So I think I'm going to use those. And I took the hood out of the stripper. I got to use something else because I am not confident with that purple power. I just need to go back to oven cleaner. So that's just not working. So I got to sand this down. Work on the tires. And possibly paint the rims. So I'm going to clean up some of the body here. But yeah, still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with the interior yet. Especially since that purple power just does not work worth a damn. I don't know. I can't get it to work. I don't know, maybe I need to try brake cleaner. Everybody else says that brake cleaner is pretty good, so maybe I need to go get some of that. So might try that next. But I'm gonna get to work.
So I wasted all that time. And I'm like, you know what? Started to weather the outside of the wheels, and God, this is so brittle. Like, I don't know what happened to these. They're just so. Look at that. They crack so easily. Yeah, I'm not using those tires. So now I'm gonna have to go find different tires. I just wasted all that time. That's awesome. Great. Well, that don't look bad. I like it. So I think I'm going to go with that. I really wish those white walls would have worked, but oh well. It is what it is. I'll just have to do. I mean, I could paint white walls on there, but that's just going to look horrible. And that'll be a very bad idea. So I think we're just going to stick with this now. So, yeah, that looks good. So now that I got that snapped out of there, I wasn't able to do that yesterday. I don't know why. It just would not come. So I think now what we're going to do, I'm going to paint the door panels, the dash, and that silver, or like a flat gray color. I'm gonna do the carpet in black. I think I might try to put like a blanket over this. Someone mentioned the other day, put like a Mexican blanket over that. And I think with the old style Kragers, like, yeah, I was kind of thinking I was gonna put like, you know, lowrider Supremes on there, but I don't want to waste that on this thing. So let's just put a blanket on there. See how that goes. But I'm not even going to strip these things down. It's a junk car. So, like, why would I do that? So I'm just going to go ahead and just spray those the way they are. Yeah, they look horrible. Absolutely horrible. But you know what? I do not care. So I got a little bit of an idea for the back too. Maybe I think I found some 6x9s somewhere. I'll try and find those 6x9s and put them on the back deck lid. All right, paint that black. Painted food dehydrator. Probably like 30 minutes. Crap. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Next, paint that. Alright, so that's painted. That's why I did the wheel wells there. Like I said before, we're gonna have the hood shut, so I'm not gonna worry too much about any of that in there. Find some cloth for that. Get that glued on there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. So, I'm gonna clean up some of these marks here. And get more, maybe weathering the body. Get that a little bit more weathered there. See what else I can come up with. So I'm not done with that yet. So, also, I was gonna cut off the exhaust and take it out the side. I need to do that too. So I'm gonna do, clean that up, cut the exhaust off. I want to bring it out the sides there a little bit, and yeah, try to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Just keep watching. Yeah, that'll work. Of course, I'm gonna paint those silver, paint the ends, the tips. You know, that one's underneath that. I'll take care of that. But yeah, that'll work. That's what I want. So, yeah, it's not gonna be show quality. So, you know, that's the way I do. I don't go to shows. So, yeah. All right. After I'm gonna get those painted, then figure out what I'm doing there. Yeah, I don't know yet. I got this like whole thing of fabric down here. Could use that. Jesus. I don't know. We'll see here in a minute. So that's good enough for me. like I said, no one's gonna look underneath. So yeah, I cheat a little bit, but you know, whatever. I gotta get the shock put back on though. That won't look right unless it's on there. So I'm gonna get that put back on, and yeah. Well, as you just seen, I put the orange rust on there, so just did a little bit. See how I like it. I think we're gonna probably end up doing some mud on this too, so I don't know. Still figure it out which thing I'm gonna do with the seat, what I'm gonna do with that seat. I don't know, get in there, but I think I'm done for the day, so I'm gonna call it quits now, and yeah, I'm just glad I got extra these wheels and tires. I think those are gonna look good on that. Of course, gotta weather those up, so I'll show you how I do that too. Of course, you can see how I do it if you watch my videos. But yeah, so that's it for the day. Yeah, it's Friday. Valentine's Day. Gonna go spend time with the wife. God, I was hoping I could get away with not doing that, but no, I got to. Anyways. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?